want patients to improve after their hip and knee replacement surgeries in terms of pain relief, number one goal certainly, swelling control, and then we want them to get their range of motion back, and finally we want to get their strength back. And that is a process that takes time and a lot of effort. The patient doing the exercises, the activities, the stretching, and the walking on their own is by far the most important. However, what we see is with the participation with physical therapy, the acceleration of rehabilitation is significantly advanced. So the therapists have modalities and techniques and instruments that they have at their disposal that most patients don't have in their homes. And they're able to teach techniques, they're able to teach the right ways to do these exercises and the stretches. They have lasers, they have deep tissue massagers, they have electrical stimulators that all can aid in the rehabilitation process. And it is essential for the therapist to work with those patients after surgery so that we can decrease their swelling, which subsequently decreases their pain, which then increases their activity. So collectively, what the patient does on their own, plus what the therapist helps them do, all leads to this wonderful recovery.